I'm on TinkerCad.com. This is a website, this is a web app. We're going to try and design a simple part like this keychain. Let's click on create new design. For a simple keychain, we'll need three things. One would be some sort of a base, some text, and probably a key ring. So let's edit the text first. We put 3DP 101. Don't like this font, so I'm changing it to sans. It's a bit huge, so I'm just shrinking it down to fit somewhere on this. The base is quite high, so let me resize it to probably 2 mm thickness. This text probably to 4 mm. Placing it roughly in the middle for now. Let me align them perfectly. In the middle, let me group both of these. Okay, then comes this ring. It's quite tall. I'm shrinking it down to the same 2 mm and grouping everything together. So quickly, in a couple of minutes, we've designed a simple keychain. This is in 3D. You can see there's a base, there's a hole, there's some text on it. I can export it out as an STL. There you see, it's downloaded. The next step is to slice it. So let me take this file into a slicing software. There you can see keychain is available here, 3DP101. Now in slicing, there are generally three simple steps. One, we choose a 3D printer. I've already pre-configured a 3D printer, Fabex Pro. I have a few filaments added. I'm going to be choosing PLA, and then I have some default settings, right? So all of these are pre-configured and available here in the drop down. These are mostly one-time setups for the machine or the material. For print settings, we keep changing it. For example, sometimes you want your part to be heavy or light or strong or high resolution. So those things we can keep changing in the printing settings, which are available here. But considering that they're all ready-made setup, I'm going to click on slice now, and you can see the layer preview here. This is how the 3D printer is going to print it. It will start off from here. You can see how the machine is going to move its tool head, deposit material. Once that layer is done, it will go up to the next layer, print or deposit material the same way. Keeps doing it until it completes all the layers with the text on it. So I can export this G code into an SD card, insert it into a 3D printer and start it, or if it's connected on the Wi-Fi, I can just initiate a print from here. Let's see how a machine prints this out.